Okay, last one. So here we're starting with the rectangle. This one is different because we are revolving it about the line y equals 3. That's a horizontal line. But you can see that your points aren't on it. So when you reflect it, count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And what's going to happen here is this is the reflection. And to make it look 3D, kind of turning it on its side as I draw. This should really be dotted in here too, but sorry. What is going on here is this is actually what we call a hollow cylinder. It's on its side and it's a hollow cylinder, so it's like a cylinder inside a cylinder. So when you say what it is, whoa, helps if you can spell. You're going to say it's a hollow cylinder. So there's a cylinder inside a cylinder. And both of these cylinders will actually have the same height. That's what connects the bases. So the height will be 3. But they're going to be 2 different radii. So of the small one, the radius is 1. Of the larger one, the radius is from where you started on this revolving line out. So that is going to be 3. Now if we are asked to find the volume of this, we would take the big volume of the big one minus the volume of the small one. So to find the volume of the big one, it's going to be pi r squared times the height, and the volume of the small will be pi r squared times the height. So the overall volume, and what you're going to do is you're going to subtract these two things, the big minus the small. That will be 27 pi minus 3 pi. So the whole volume is going to be 24 pi, and that is approximately 75.4, I think. I can read my writing, and that's units cubed. Okay, because when it's hollow, you have to subtract the smaller shape from the bigger one. So I just found 2 volumes and I did a little subtraction. That's it. All right, you're tough. I know this is a big day. Lots going on here, but you're tough.